So we are decked up again and we are just heading, to the market area for just some window shopping. It's super, super, super cold over here. I'm already carrying 2 layers with me. So we have reached the market. I will just show you around what all things you can purchase from here. These are my cousins, this is my friend. So Mahabaleshwar is known for its woolen clothes and these baskets. You will get ample of variety in this if you wish to purchase. So you can see ample of variety of shoes, and Mahabaleshwar is super, super, super famous for its jutis and Kolhapuri chappals. So you can see over here the variety. I'll just take you all through this. So you can see there are so many varieties of Kolhapuri chappals over here. You will get all the colors I think possible. So this is the whole market area. We have come on a weekdays, so it's not super crowded. So Mahabaleshwar is also known and famous for its video games. I think there are so many video game centers in the whole lane. So I think you all can try your luck. You can see these cute keychains over here. These are so wonderful. So I just came across this wonderful shop in the market, and they have some amazing, amazing, amazing vase and some flowers over here. You can just come and have a look. Just look at these vases. These are so damn pretty. I think Mahabaleshwar is known for its sweet corn and strawberries. So I think my trip is going to be totally incomplete without having some sweet corn. So we are just munching on it. I think you can see this sight in Mahabaleshwar, very, very common. Horses moving around here and there. Guys, if you come to Mahabaleshwar, please, please, please try these varieties of chanas. There is such an ample variety over here, from peri peri to garlic to tomatoes and Szechuan and what not. So we are back from the market. It was just kind of a window shopping. We really didn't buy so much stuff because I think everything is very easily available in Mumbai, and now we are super tired. So we are just heading towards dinner, and maybe just after dinner we might sit and talk and maybe play games. So let's see how that goes. So we have some bengan ka bharta, aloo masala. This is some veg makhan wala. There is some cheese corn toast. Some assorted breads over here. One of my favorite, which is dahi batata puri. There is some baked biryani with raita, steamed rice, black dal. Oh my god. some khichdi and some pakoda curry over here with Jain options available for everybody. Buttermilk over there, which we had in the morning also. Over here we have the dessert counter, which is churma and chocolate souffle. Looks delicious. We also have this wide spread of salads. I don't know who is going to take these. And also we have tomato soup over here. You can see how it looks like. It is super delish. I can't wait to try this.
ये प्लेट को इस स्टिक पर घुमाने करा कर देगा वेरी सिंपल कर सकते हैं और क्या बोले थे नो प्रॉब्लम मैं आपको बता देखो मैं इनको ही बोला सकता हूं ध्यान से देखिए हल्का पकड़ने की इस पकड़ से हल्का पकड़ने ज्यादा जोर देने की जरूरत नहीं है सर इस तरह ओके हां उसके बाद प्लेट पे यहां पर रख दीजिए वेरी नेचुरल एकदम परफेक्ट ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करने का और थोड़ा सा पुश करने का हल्का सा सर नचने के लिए घुमाइए हां वेरी नाइस और धीरे धीरे फास्ट जैसे पास करोगे तो प्लेट देखिए अपना करा हो जाएगा इस प्रकार से उसके बाद आप जितना चाहे उतना पास करो जितना चाहे उतना बना के इस पे आराम से रख सकते हो जैसे आपका यस और थोड़ा फास्ट हां आराम से घुमा सकते हो
Hi you guys, it's 12 o'clock and we are just having some tea. That's my brother.
That's my another brother, mad brother.